Herman Motorsports. Herman Motorsports coming at you. What's up YouTube? Thanks for tuning in for another Herman Motorsports video. Today, for myself and my son, I want to take a second and thank everyone who has subscribed. We hit 119 subscribers. To some people that may be very little, but to us that means the world. That means 119 people cared about what we had to say and what content we put out. So if you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button, like our videos, comment on our videos. It means everything to us and it makes us want to put out more and more and more. So thank you again for everything. Thanks to everybody who's already subscribed, and on with today's video. Hey guys, let's get started with our video. Today our video is going to be about R2 manufacturing. Ryan and Rob manufacture a great product. You can see them at r2manufacturing.com. Their products are inexpensive relatively compared to the competitors that make products that do basically what theirs do. And quite honestly, I think they work fantastic. So today's video is going to show you them up close so you can see the quality of the manufacturing and basically if you're interested in buying them, what you're buying. So let's get started and talk about the products. This is where I'm just going to tell you a little bit about each product before we move on. This is the edgetamer. This is the one you're going to use for snow removal. And this is very heavy. You'd be shocked when you hold it. It's 3/8 mild steel. It's MIG welded and it's powder coated. There are 3 versions. There's a 3-inch, a 4-inch, and a 6-inch. This is the 4-inch. On Kermit, my John Deere, I have a 60-inch bucket, so 2 4-inches on each corner is going to do a great job. And basically, one thing to remind you of, keep these flat. You don't want to have it riding on the front of it. You want it to be flat. That's going to give you best results without tearing up your asphalt or picking up rocks off your rock driveway like I have. I have a 400-foot driveway, so I know I'll get a lot of use out of these. Again, you'll also notice the hole here. That's where the other components connect to it. One more thing I wanted to add about the edge tamers is the buckets that you use should have a factory welded on edge. If you have a bolted on edge, this is not the right product for you to be using. This is the edge extender. Again, powder coated in safety red. Each one of these can handle 300 pounds. So if you're using a set, you can pick up something that weighs 600 pounds. Use a very heavy duty bolt in this that'll give you the strength to connect it to the edge tamer so that you can pick up what you need to. And again, the great part is you can get as narrow or as wide as you need. This is the last product before we move on to the in-depth videos. This is the Trash Tamer. This is a fantastic product if you have a driveway like mine, which is 400 feet long and it's made of rocks. So pulling these gigantic garbage cans out there is a real pain in the butt. So with that said, this is a great alternative and it's inexpensive. You could put 1, 2, or 3 across your bucket, depending on how big a bucket that you have. Again, this is powder coated in safety red. It is MIG welded. It's mild steel, so it's a really heavy duty product. You'll notice that this one uses a clip, not a bolt. So if you have a normal trash can full of just household goods, no problem, use this. But if you're gonna do construction or something and your garbage can is extra heavy, make sure that you take the bolt from the edge extender and put that in here. That'll give you extra strength when you're picking up those heavy garbage cans. Let's move on to the next part of this video where I'm going to show you each product up close so you can really get an idea of what the quality of each product is and how it's made. Remember, R2 Manufacturing can be seen at r2manufacturing.com. Call Rob or Ryan anytime if you have any questions, or certainly post questions below and we're happy to answer them as well. Stay tuned for the next video, which is going to be actually using each product. And again, I think you're going to be very impressed with the capability that each one has.